Hi friends, it's Jody with Squiggly Doodles. Let's draw this super fun picture. Come on, let's get doodling. Let's get started on our orange. I'm going to be drawing with a Sharpie today, and it's always a good idea to have a couple pieces of paper underneath. Let's go ahead and start. An orange is a circle shape, and we're just going to draw a big circle right in the middle of our paper. I'm going to start at the top and just go around and meet back, just like that. Now our orange will have a little bit of green coming up from the top, and we will just draw a couple little spike marks like that. Okay, now we're going to draw our eyes. On the middle of our orange, on one side I'll draw a big circle and the other side. And I want them to be close to the same size. Inside the eye, I'm going to draw two circles, smaller, and then color black around. And what that does is just show that light is hitting the eyes. I think I'm also going to draw some eyebrows on my orange above the eye. And then my orange is gonna have a big mouth, and that's just like a U shape, and its tongue showing. And then I make two little indentions there for its mouth. And then I wanna add a little detail. I'm just gonna add a couple little circles. I'm gonna do 3. One big one and 2 littler ones for its cheek. And that is our orange drawing. But now the fun part is coloring. And we're gonna color with a bunch of different shades of orange, little pink and red for the mouth, and green for the leafy part up top. So let's get started. Alright, so I've added a lot of detail when I colored my orange, and I'm going to add one more detail to really make it all come together. What I'm going to do is start off the line, and I just picked any point in my orange and I drew it all the way down. And I'm going to do that all the way across my orange. When I get to my eye, I do lift up my crayon because I don't want the orange to go on the white part. I also added these yellow circles here for a highlight on the orange. And I just took my orange crayon and started drawing the lines. and you can just follow along. The next thing I'm going to do is draw them going the opposite direction. So now that I've finished my detail, I just am going to take my orange crayon and lightly go over everything, even the yellow shadow. And what I did there with that highlight, not shadow, but the highlight, I colored it really hard. I pressed really hard on my crayon and made it really a bold color so that I can even color over it and it won't change color. It won't turn orange. It'll still stay yellow. So now I just go through and finish coloring in all my little details. And there is a fun orange. I hope you had a lot of fun today coloring and drawing your orange. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye, friends. Thank you for watching today. I hope you had a lot of fun. And if you did, follow us, like us, and subscribe to our Instagram, our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and website.